So I invite Gaetan to present the first part. Thanks, Gaetan.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. So my name is Gaetan Carad. I work as a research engineer for Ionis for almost 1 year now. And I'm here today to present you the technical solution that we are actually using for more than 1 hour now to stream live this conference on YouTube, which is this suitcase, the I2T Mobile Studio. So it consists in an all-in-one suitcase with which you can transcript any conference live on YouTube or Twitch, for example. So first, let's talk about the main key features of this suitcase. There are 4 of them, so mobility, rapidity, usability, and replicability. So first, mobility. As you can tell, everything fits in a suitcase that is just there. Transportation, filming, dismantling. The studio follows the project now and not the opposite. It means that no matter in which place you want to record everything, it's not a problem anymore. Right now we just need an electric wire and a Wi-Fi connection or 5G connection, and that's it. Then the rapidity. This whole setup that you can see right now only takes like less than 10 minutes to be installed. So yeah, pretty quick. So yeah, it lets you more time for filming than for wiring. You can see that today we are using 3 cameras. One is here, the other one is here. The last one is at the back of the room, and we don't have any wires to connect them to the suitcase. So yes. Then usability. So everything is ready to use. Basically, you just have to plug it in and it will work. So yeah, the goal when we thought about this project was to really make the technology disappear behind the idea of the suitcase itself. And the last one, the one that can interest you maybe, is the replicability. This suitcase, this setup can be cloned really easily right now. So yeah, with the same setup, the same settings, the same rendering, we can put this suitcase in every school, in every campus of the SMU, for example, and also in every school of the Ionis group. So maybe that's the whole point about this presentation. And now let's talk a little bit about the technical aspect. I'll try to keep it simple. So yeah, as I told you, I'm using 3 Wi-Fi cameras that are connected to dedicated Wi-Fi network. This Wi-Fi router is connected to the control laptop with a cable. So this is for the video part. For the sound part, sorry, I'm using 4 microphones. So one is here, the one is here. We have 2 of them in each laptop today. So wireless microphones, of course. I can control every volume channel with a sound card independently, which is connected to the control laptop. So now I have the video, I have the sound. How do I stream it? So we use a software which is called OBS Studio, which is pretty well-known software and pretty well dedicated software to live streaming, which means that it's a little bit difficult to handle. That's why I decided to use a Stream Deck, which is connected to the laptop directly. So it's a small keyboard, basically, and with each key, you can control each feature of the software. So, for example, you can change the scene, you can change camera, you can switch on or switch off a mic, you can modify the volume. Pretty much everything works just with a few keys. So now we have everything, we can control it. And yeah, last step, to stream this, we just need a connection. So today it's the local Wi-Fi, the Ionis Wi-Fi, but it can be 4G, 5G, everything. And then you can stream on YouTube or on Twitch. And yeah, that's it. So I'm glad to announce you that today it's the first day when I'm trying this suitcase in real conditions. And so yes, I think we're on live now for like almost 1 hour on the Ionis Institute of Technology YouTube channel, and you will find this video at the end of the day, which will be available if you want to see it again. And so, yeah, thank you very much. And if you have some questions, okay. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Gaetan. This is very important to us because during the whole project, we have live streamed our actions. For example, the work in Malaga and was live streamed. The first joint staff event in Lyon back in 2023 was streamed, but it was streamed with a simple solution. I mean, it was just a high efficiency microphone, a good webcam, and then we used OBS and Twitch, of course. But your kit is making this much more easy to set up. You said that 10 minutes.
Yeah, set up, yeah.
It's very, very efficient. Thank you.
Thank you. So, well, if you want one, just let me know.
Great.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Gaetan. Yeah, if you...
Maybe, I don't know, for the questions, or feel free to grab me at the end, I don't know.
Thank you.
I will give you the...
Singer.
Oh, okay. Yeah, take the micro directly.
First of all, congratulations for the presentation. I have some questions for Gaetan. If I understand correct, there are 4 microphones now that are connected with Studio Mobile. Okay? They are connected by DI boxes or...
So it's DJI mics. It works with 2 mics for 1 receptor. So I have 4 mics, so 2 receptors.
Yes.
The signal is going out from the receptor with the stereo cable. I split this into 2 mono, so left and right, and I have 4 inputs in my sound card, and so then I can have like 1, 2, 3, and 4.
There is a possibility instead of microphones to connect organs. Let's say, for example, a cello or a violin.
Yes, definitely, because you have like just regular inputs on the sound card, so you can put basically everything you want on it. Yes.
And how many channels you can use?
With this sound card, 4.
4.
But like I told you that the setup can be reproduced in the same exact way, but it can also be modified if you want to put like different cameras, different microphones, different sound card. Everything is possible. If tomorrow you need like something with 8 channels, it will be possible.
Okay, and then one last question. You have checked it in a room or in a studio, I guess. What about an open air event?
So yeah, it's possible also. The only difference would be that we would need a battery probably. The only actual thing that is working on the electric sockets right now is the Wi-Fi router, but we have the space in the case to put this on battery. So yeah, it's once we do this, it works perfectly like with no electricity, and you can also add a 4G or 5G key or Starlink if you want, and you can like stream live everywhere. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
I guess our partner Hellenic Opera Corporation tries this solution.
Thank you, Gaetan. So I propose to continue because